Hey guys, so today I have here my new ultrasonic humidifier. In this case here, this is the Onson Cool Mist. Comes with a whole bunch of different features here, really quiet. Has a lot of capacity, over a gallon. Fits in there, 4.5 liters, and it runs up to from 12 to 30 hours depending on how much output you set it to. So you see how quiet this thing is. So quieter than if you're turning the page of a book. And here white, it's top filling, 4.5 liters, 25 watts. So okay, let's take a look inside and let me show you how this thing works. So we start out with the tank here on top. This tank is detachable. First there's here this lid that you can take off, and then you can remove the entire tank. So you can do this to, for example, refill the tank by the faucet, or you can just refill the tank as it is when it's sitting here on the device. Okay, so now here you can see this is a little valve, that's where the water comes through. Here into the main chamber is a little piece of styrofoam, so this is here the off switch. When the water is depleted here, then it automatically turns off. And then here this black piece here, this is the membrane. This is basically where the vapor is created. So now let me fill in here some water. I have here this little jug. You can fill in up to 4.5 liters, so that's well over a gallon. In this case, I'm just filling this thing here about halfway. On the outside of the tank, you actually have an indicator that shows you at all times how much water is left in the device. And now let me put the lid back on so that we can get going here. And it is safe to remove the tank while there is still water in there. Here, look at this. So the tank is half full, and we can see the bottom here where the evaporator is. There's also a bunch of water in there. And now I'm just going to plug this in. You hear this little beep, that means that it is ready. Now on the left we have here this on-off button. When you push it once here, you see this one bar, that is the lowest level of mist that it creates. Then level 2 and level 3 is the maximum. If you push it once more, it goes back to level 1. If you press and hold, that turns off the humidifier. Let me turn it back on here. And then on the right side we have another button. This is the timer button. If you push that, then it increases here the timer, and the number means how many hours the humidifier is going to be turned on, and then after that time it's going to turn off automatically. And then also you can turn off the display by pressing and holding the button. And the number here, the 20 that you see here right now, that's the humidity in the air at this point. So here it says it's 20% humidity. So it's about time for me to run this humidifier here. And now let me show you here the different amounts of mist that come out here. This is level 1. This is not a whole lot. And then level 2 is more. And then level 3 is here the maximum of humidity that this device evaporates here. So okay, so yeah, this is already it. So let me turn it back off. This is it here. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.